No, it's not making sense.
Put your hands on your back now. I'm not asking.
Oh, what?
No.
60, I got one. North on call. Calling, man. East on Marion. Black male, dreads, white shirt, orange joggers.
Go ahead and start down there with 260 and 275.
What was the direction of travel before his last thing?
Son of a bitch.
230 off, so in route.
260, where you at?
Near the corner of Marion Hughes, I lost him.
I got him again. Marion Hughes. Headed north.
Northbound Marion and Hughes.
Headed west on Hughes near ground. Stop! Get on the ground now!
You got it.
Get on the ground!
I don't have to do all that. I'm already arrested.
Hands on your back now! Hands on your back! Stop! Stop! Give me your hand now. You think a pepper spray, dude? Put your hands behind your back. Just do it. Hey, put your hand behind your back.
Sounds like they've got him on the ground, trying to get him in custody.
61 custody for a baby.
In custody, 953.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Get him off.
I can't run that damn fuck no damn.
909 Cole. 909 Cole.
60, I also have confirmation from
Why
Harrison
y'all call
County.
15 cops to me?
Hey Ryan, pull over this and put him in your car. Pull over this one.
Go ahead.
We're gonna go back to script.
Crazy.
Pull your knees into you, man.
Pull your knees in.
You alright? Hey man.
It's gonna be right now by 909 and 911.
Hey, what'd you say?
Crazy, breathing but unresponsive.
Hey man, you take anything?
Hey, I need you to tell me right now.
I don't know, man. He might have taken.
I don't think he took anything while we were at the stop. He was moving around a lot, though. Wouldn't want to sit still.
Go ahead.
Breathing fast. Hey, one of these. I wonder where they come from.
Yeah, paper on him or something?
What's his name?
Lamar is best we got.
Hey, Lamar.
He had a felony from Harrison County.
And
Hey, man.
for evading a vehicle. So I was trying to wait for you to get there, and I was like, it's taking a while.
Man, I was coming
around
from
a lot.
I was coming from Purdy Park.
So I
Hey, you get blood pressure on you, alright, man?
You put his hands behind his back.
Did he talk to
him?
Yeah.
But he was moving around a lot. Like, the whole time in the stop, he was.
Y'all see any track marks?
The onset was super quick. It was like 1 second it was fine, and the next he was.
We had a pilot in. He started running. I bet. Did someone talk to him about ID on him? Like, are you for sure?
He didn't have an ID on him. I got a picture though.
That's him.
He got out, was walking around a lot, saying he had to go to the bathroom. He was all like jittery and stuff, wouldn't stay still. When he realized I was about to hook him up, he bolted.
Okay.
Ran for a little bit, hooked him up, and as soon as he got handcuffs, just went unresponsive.
Okay.